Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I am partnering with Fabfitfun on this video today. I'm going to be showing you some of the items in their fall add-on sale. So if you guys are totally new to Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box. You guys know I'm all about subscription boxes here on my channel. They offer a wide range of products from beauty products to fashion, skincare, hair care, home items, just like everything. It's pretty awesome. It is $49 a month, so it's a little pricier, but you get like really high-end quality stuff and you get a lot of stuff. So I'll link some of my previous videos in the description box if you guys want to check it out, get an idea for what Fabfitfun is all about. I even have a $10 off coupon code if you use the code add-ons to save $10 off your first box. So those are for any of you guys that are new, but if you guys are currently a Fabfitfun subscriber, you can take a part of this add-on sale. So I'm so excited to show you guys the items that are in the sale. I just have a select few of the items in the sale, but I'm going to be showing you my top picks from it. So if you guys are yearly subscribers to Fabfitfun, you get first access to the sale, which is awesome. You get to shop before everyone and stuff does sell out fast. So it really pays to be a yearly subscriber instead of just going quarter to quarter. The sale is going on right now, so you can kind of pick and choose what you guys want to add on to your box and get a really great savings from, because this is so cool. They have so many good brands, so many awesome products at a really good deal. So I'm just too excited. Let's get into these products. Okay, so the first thing that I thought was really cute is actually a little lunch tote, and it's like this really soft fabric. You can definitely fold it down. It's very compact, but I love this. It says hangry on it, and it says adjective, sudden anger fueled by lack of food, the emotion where anger and hunger intersect, causing irrational behavior and crankiness, a state of ire resulting in a negative mood. But yeah, I thought that was so adorable. This has a lot of room in it and you could fit a ton. So this is by the brand My Tagalongs. It's called the Foodie Tote. And yeah, I just thought that was adorable, so you can definitely add that as an add-on. These items are very much discounted, so you're saving a lot of money on them. Next up, I wanted to show you guys this product, which is so cute. So this is from the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company, and I'm so excited about this. But basically, it's a little face mask, and it's made with little gel beads in it. So what's really cool about this is that you could either toss this in the fridge to make it really cool, or you can actually toss it in the microwave to have it a little bit warm. Since it has these fun little gel beads in it, that will feel so good on the skin. So this side goes on your face. It has these little Velcro straps to it, so it will definitely fit. And then the other side is like furry. It's kind of scary looking, but I feel like this would be so relaxing to have on a little spa night, especially in the summertime. It's so hot. I feel like this would feel so good if you just need to like cool down and put this on the face. Okay, this product I'm definitely really pumped about. So this is from PMD. It's their personal microderm. I've definitely used one of these before. It was actually one of the first like products I've gotten sent in my YouTube career, which was so long ago, but this product actually works really good. This would be really good for you if you have like acne scars and want to fade some spots, because it is a little bit of a personal microderm at home. You do save money with this tool instead of going to like a esthetician, but it has this little rotating disc that kind of just like removes that first layer of skin, so it's good for exfoliation. It also has vacuum suction, and it's going to really help your skincare products absorb better into the skin. So I was so excited to see this offered. This is such a good product. Here's what it looks like if you guys want to see. But I'm so excited to have this in my life again. I feel like I really need this. I have some major acne scars that I'm wanting to clear up, so I'm excited to use that. All right, next up I wanted to show you guys this little pack here. This is from I&M. It's called I'm Not Missing Out. And they have some really cute makeup products. I've actually never heard of this brand until I got this in the mail, but these are really good quality. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys in this little set is the Velveteen Dream Shadow. I got the shade Classic Kim, and these kind of remind me of ColourPop. They almost feel really bouncy to the touch, but not as creamy, but they do give a lot of pigment off. So that is the Classic Kim shade. These are really cute. Have this product, which I feel like is really the standout product in here. This is like a liquid shadow in the shade Femme Fatale, and this literally did not come off my hand like all day. Like, this is gonna be on your eyes and it's not going to move. But it is so pretty. It is this beautiful rose gold shade. And it's just a nice liquid shadow that literally does not budge. And then they also sent this, which is so cute. It's called the Pop Paint Shadow, and I already like tested this out, but you kind of swirl it all together. It has different colors mixed in, like a little bit of blue and red, and then you get this color, which is very similar to the first one, a little bit more red to it. But I thought that was so fun. I love the design in here, and it definitely reminds me of ColourPop. So this brand is also part of the fall add-on sale. Okay, they also have this really cute portable charger, and I thought this would be perfect because it's so thin and compact. I have a charging bank, and it is like this thick, so it takes up like all the room in my little crossbody bag. So this is perfect. It's from the brand Wit and Delight. This is what it looks like. So it's so thin, literally. Love this. So cute too. It says know thy selfie. In the back it even has a little mirror. So it's kind of like a little 2-in-1. You can check out how your makeup's looking and also charge your phone. So I had to show you guys that. Oh, I did want to mention they did have 2 sponsored products for this add-on sale, and if you spend $15 with their sale, you're gonna get this for free. So this is the Barilla Chickpea Rotini. It's just a pasta, and it's made with chickpeas. So this is awesome if you guys have a gluten intolerance, or if you just really want to eat healthier. So I thought that was really cool, even though it's kind of weird to get pasta. I mean, it's free, so why not? The other sponsorship is a phone company called Mint Mobile, and they sent like a 3-month free phone service if you guys want to switch to their carrier. I wanted to mention this because I love this brand so much. This is by Spongel, and they have these really awesome sponges. Basically, it's like a shower gel and a loofah mixed in one. It has the shower gel already in it. So this is what it looks like, and I actually got pumpkin spice, which is perfect for fall. It smells really good. It's not like super overpowering pumpkin. It kind of has a little bit of fruitiness to it, but I really like this. So I've used these before, and I feel like they're really good. It lasts about 14 plus luxurious showers, it says. So this one's formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver to moisturize, soften, and cleanse. But yeah, these are so nice. Then we also got this. I've noticed some Briogeo also on the site, which is a really nice hair care brand that they do sell at Sephora. This is their organic Australian tea tree oil. You could use this for dry scalp. You can also mix this in with your shampoo or conditioner. So I feel like that's going to be nice. I sometimes do get dry, flaky scalp. So mixing this in, I feel like I would like it. It seems like it's very concentrated. I also have some skincare stuff here. This is from Strivectin, which is a really high-end skincare brand they sell at Ulta. This is their Advanced Glow Daily Glow Toner, which looks so nice. So this says that it has hyaluronic acid and mandelic acids in it. It says it's a must-have step to glowing skin. So this sounds amazing. I'm really excited to try it. I've actually been using this. This is the Lifestyle Co. from Los Angeles. They're 100% natural clearing facial toner. I do really like this. I feel like it kind of helps heal any acne I have. I would be careful though if you guys do use this. Don't use it with any like exfoliating products because your skin might be a little bit sensitive. But I've been like spraying this on before I go to bed, and I feel like it really does help. And then a couple more things. I thought this was really cool. This is by the brand Routine, and I just love their packaging. This is a natural deodorant. It's called Superstar, and this is actually really interesting because it's almost like a paste. I'll show you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It smells very fresh. It says that you only need like half a jelly bean size, and you just smooth it onto your underarms, and it's supposed to be a good deodorant. I don't know. I'm very intrigued by this. I'm always trying out different natural deodorants. I'm so sorry. My drawer has been open that entire time. That's really annoying. Also, this mist from Wonder Beauty is going to be part of the add-on sale. It is the Glow Getter Mist. I love this stuff. I have a full size back here, but this mist is so good. It really gives your face a nice glow and also sets your makeup. So perfect if you guys have dry skin or just all about the glow. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love Wonder Beauty products. I think they have a couple things on this sale, so I would definitely check them out. They're such a good brand, and they do sell their stuff at Sephora if you guys are wondering. And then last but not least, the last thing I want to show you guys are these beautiful earrings from Bubble Bar, and these are hoop earrings. So I really want to get back into wearing earrings. I'm just not a huge jewelry person. I never wear it, but I feel like these are small enough that it's not too crazy, and they have these really pretty jewels on them. So I thought that these were super pretty. They're also from Bubble Bar, which is a very popular brand. I feel like all the bloggers always wear Bubble Bar jewelry. But yeah, I thought this was really pretty. So this is also going to be part of the sale. So that is pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys for this sale. I'll have the link down below if you guys still want to sign up for Fabfitfun. Don't forget to use my code add-ons. The fall box is coming very soon. I should have my video up shortly because mine is shipping out early. It's actually shipping out this week. I don't know when I'm supposed to upload yet, but I can't wait to show you guys what is in the fall box. And I'll also have my previous videos linked down below if you guys want to check those out. But definitely, if you guys are subscribed, check out the add-on sale. Tell me what goodies you guys are going to be picking up or what you're excited about, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.